get such a swing. Beautiful here, sunrise. Alrighty then. Well, good morning. This is a entry for September 17th, Wednesday, September the 17th, 2025. I'm on Sailing Baraka, and was chatting with a fellow captain online, so I kind of lost track of not much really yet. I thought it was going to be raining this morning, and I think it is. That over there is where the wind's coming from. That's where it's going, obviously. Today I will be hunkering down, and honestly, it may, well, yeah, it's going to be kind of hunkering down for a little bit here. Might need to get some winter clothes meanwhile. But anyway, let me go put this sunrise online just for the hell of it. So I keep making all these videos is basically for content, and I said this before about memory and kind of jokingly about AI, but the only way that I am aware of to build an AI correctly right now, because the public versions aren't really up to snuff yet, is to do something like this and ramble on a video for 4 hours. But I watched one the other day and it wasn't too bad as long as I keep talking. These sunrise and sunset things are probably, I don't know. I mean, they're nice to look at and they're certainly nice to experience, but you know, AI could produce that, you know, the picture of it anyway in 2 dimensions, right? So anyway, creating with AI, and it's interesting where we're at with the public deployment. So, forgot what I was going to say. Just got to start making more videos now. So.
project's work guide is basically a standard chat with your LLM.
Figured
But
out
this time you
that
can basically give it some instructions of how you want the LLM to act, so you don't constantly have to come and manually type in the instructions you want every single time. And how you're able to do that is by either coming over here in the custom instructions,
when it's raining,
add instructions,
like
where
we can
over
catch
here
up
you can simply
on
type in the instructions that you want. So let's say, for example, for my YouTube titles, I want them to be short and use as many shocking words as they possibly can to draw the viewer's attention.
Might do
So
some
all I have
production
to do
after
is
all.
simply come over here and type in, hey, make
virtually cold. Did I miss the sunrise? Super cold. Definitely not eating out on the balcony today. Patio or whatever. Well, I actually fell asleep today. I guess I was exhausted and needed it. And woke up to this. So totally missed any kind of sunset or whatever. So that's today. So I'll have to get wax philosophical, as they say. Anyway. What's out there? Yeah, he's gone. Probably called me 20 times asking for a ride. Should probably check in on her. Also, just for the record, this is on. Also, just for the record, yesterday I missed a log. There's really only a sunrise. There's really only one video. Yeah, I've been going so hard, I forgot why or what. But it wasn't a big deal. Rain today, so it's kind of chilly. But I don't know what's wrong with me. I just refuse to put on clothes. I got used to the tropics. Everybody here layers up, and I just really want to go south. But there's some weather developing down there, as there usually is this time of year. And if I'm not going to be close to Shark River, then, which is a hurricane hole down there, I'm not going through it. I'm not testing it. Weathered one in Jacksonville on anchor. That was pretty rough, but I was all the way in Jacksonville. So there's a big river that takes real, there's a little bit of protection in that river. Although that was crazy. We had a bunch of boats come by. But yeah, got two younger sailors up here that one wants to leave in October, I guess September the 29th. And so I guess I'm going to wait for him tentatively. This will be my first month's survival, which I will successfully do. And I'm not sure it's $100. It's probably a couple hundred, to be honest with you. But I've got a lot of the staples left as one would, so it'll be a surplus to deal with. But yeah, it doesn't cost much to eat, come to find out. I've always just had an expensive taste. My mom raised us with pretty good healthy food habits. Anyway, that's all I got for you there. Peace, love, and air grease and all that stuff, I guess. And yeah, it's just rainy and weathering the weather. Nothing exciting other than that. I think this is the first time I've actually fallen asleep during the day, so there's some comfort aspects that are settling in that are needed. It's been a heck of a ride.